Hey guys, it's Isabella. Welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. I have a huge secret for you guys that I think will help a lot of you. If you don't already know what this app is, which I mean, at this point you should, we talk about it all the time, but you know, maybe you don't. You need to get this app called Solo. Solo is great for all types of drivers. Whether you do delivery driving or rideshare driving, you definitely need this. This works for like DoorDash, Instacart, Uber, Lyft, like any of those apps. So if you don't know about Solo, make sure to keep watching. Solo is basically the #1 business app for drivers. It has everything you need. You can do everything on there. For if you're a driver, it will help you track your expenses, track your mileage. You can even get guaranteed pay. They'll help you with filing your taxes. This can help you optimize your income and help you set goals and earn more money. So by the way, if you do want to check it out and download it, we have a link down below, and if you use our link, they will send you $10 just completely for free. And I don't know about you, but I really like free money, so definitely worth checking it out in the description. So I'm gonna just go through all the features with you guys because there are a lot, but I'm gonna try to keep it brief. So I think the #1 feature that you guys probably want to know about is the pay guarantee. Because who doesn't want guaranteed pay? I know a lot of drivers make below minimum wage, especially after expenses. So having something like guaranteed pay will just help you feel a little bit more secure with the money that you're making. So basically what it does is it has a smart schedule, and it will show you the best jobs to work at any hour of the day in your city. Sometimes users can make up to an extra 40% more using this. They use millions of data points to be able to determine how much you may make during a certain hour of the day. So let's say it says at 1 p.m. you should be making like $25, okay? If you clock in during that hour and you don't make the $25, they will send you the difference. Like let's say you made 21, they're gonna literally just send you $4 extra, you know. And then if you make more than $25, you keep all your money, so it's not like they're gonna take anything from you. This can also help you manage your schedule just by like seeing all the hours laid out and the amount of money you could make each hour. So it'll literally give you like predicted earnings, and you can kind of plan your day around that. Like let's say it shows you that at 9 a.m. you know, instead of making 20 in that hour, it's gonna be like $13 in the hour. You could just choose to, you know, not waste your time driving during that hour if you know you're not going to make that much, and do something else. Or you could choose like a different app. Like let's say you were going to do Uber, but Uber isn't good at that time. You could switch and do like DoorDash. Let's say it tells you that doing DoorDash you can make more money within that hour, then you can just do that instead. Hopefully that makes sense. I don't know if I'm doing the best job at explaining that, but they're starting to expand. So if you tried to sign up for Solo before to get the pay guarantee, they're expanding all across the country even more. Like this is now available in California, New York City. Like those are two of the main areas that it wasn't available before, but now it is. So if you live in those places, you should definitely try signing up again so you can get that pay guarantee. So now for some of the other features that Solo has to offer. They will help you manage your income. So Solo actually automatically tracks your income from any of the platforms that you have connected. So let's say you're doing Uber and you're doing Lyft and you're doing DoorDash. You know, you have these multiple streams of income. It's kind of hard to determine how much you're making. If you have it all linked in the app, then it'll tell you how much you're making in total. Like it's crazy, like most drivers don't even know like how much they're making per week or per month. So it's a little bit harder to make those goals because let's say you're cashing out every day or every few days, you don't really know how much you're making each month. So let's say you find out you're making like $4,000 a month. You can set goals and try to reach $5,000 in that month. This is just a great way to kind of stay organized and understand how much you're making to make goal setting easier for you. And they'll also send you an unlimited amount of income reports. Another great thing Solo does is it helps you track your expenses. This way you can maximize your tax deductions, and it'll automatically track your work-related miles. You can see how many miles you can put like when you're filing your taxes for tax deductions. Speaking of taxes, they will project your taxes. This can really help you get ahead. So like they'll give you real-time tax projections based on the income that it tracks for you and the expenses that it tracks for you. So that way when tax day comes around, you're not super surprised if you owe like a certain amount in taxes. You'll kind of already know, so you can plan ahead and like say or set that amount of money aside when it comes time to paying your taxes. And what's crazy is that using Solo's features actually has helped drivers and independent workers take home over $5,000 more on average. So it could be even more than $5,000. So anyways guys, highly recommend Solo if you didn't already know about it, or if you didn't know about some of these features that I just talked about. So again, we have a link down below in the description. Use that link, you get $10 for free. Definitely recommend it. But yeah, anyways guys, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.